Welcome to Life of Norman Buds and Beauties, and today is the last day in North Sikkim. Really excited for this day as well. And जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं हो रहा North Sikkim से. North Sikkim has been such a treat, such an amazing experience. I can't really express in words. It was such a delight to be in North Sikkim. And as you can see right now, the morning views are amazing in Lachung, Sikkim. And today we are gonna head out to Zero Point. So of course, ठंडी में चाय की चुस्की तो बनती है boss.
Hey BNB, nice sunny day, and it's Sunday basically, and we just left for Yumthang Valley. It's on the way to Yumthang Valley. It's still 10 kilometers left to reach the Yumthang Valley. It's a 1 hour, 1.5 hours drive from Lachung, and it's gorgeous right here. Let me show you the big. I hope you can see the time here. It's 8:36. I don't think you can see the time. We just stopped here between Lachung and Yumthang Valley. There's a stop. I mean, a lot of people were taking selfies and all that. And there's a lot of snow here also. And man, these big mountains do look really big. There's a lot of honking here and shit, and I'm unable to record. So I'm gonna show you the time lapse of this place in 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Okay, so just got a news that the road to Yumthang Valley is blocked or something, and we are now headed to Gangtok. I don't know what place is that. Shit. It's like I have some boots. I'm gonna wear them just ASAP. Let's go then to Gangtok, whatever the place is, because Yumthang is blocked. Okay guys, snow boots are fully on. Yeah, now I can fearfully run on snow. And yeah, one thing that I found here in Sikkim is that it's more of a touristic place rather than a traveler's place, a backpacker's place. And it's true. I've known that Sikkim is gonna be a place for more for couples and more for, you know, tourists and families type of people. It's as I told yesterday, it's like Shimla Manali for Punjabi people, same as Sikkim for Darjeeling and West Bengalis. But yeah, I am enjoying a lot because the mountain views are crazy here. I'm gonna talk to the cab driver and see like that we can't even go to the 0 point also. I wanna talk to him. ये 0 point वगैरह भी बंद है सर. अच्छा, फिर तो यहाँ से जो आप बोल रहे हो कि से नाम है
कटाओ.
हाँ, तो वो कितना दूर है?
लाचुंग से 1 घंटा.
1 घंटा. तो उसके बाद वापस गैंगटॉक.
हाँ, होटल लंच करके फिर गैंगटॉक.
अच्छा, ब्लॉक्ड क्यों है मतलब?
स्नो की वजह से.
स्नो की वजह से स्नोफॉल हुई थी.
स्नो रास्ता में है ना, गाड़ी स्लिप होगा ना.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, उसके लिए चेन चाहिए ना गाड़ी की.
चेन लगाने से भी चला जाएगा डिलमुनी, गाड़ी नहीं होगा.
अच्छा, so we Kotak का plan है, and it's like 1 hour away from Lachung, and they are saying that it also has like valley views that the 0 point has, and 0 point Yumthang Valley is all closed. We can't go there, so our trip is gonna be over in like 2.5 hours from now. I actually got really excited to see the 0 point because I've seen a lot of photos on Instagram about the 0 point, but due to heavy snowfall there, it is all closed. We can't go there, so we're gonna go to Gangtok in about sometime now.
वहाँ पर बर्फ थोड़ा ज़्यादा मतलब वहाँ पर थोड़ा रास्ता खराब है ना थोड़ा सा मतलब 2 किलोमीटर सर वहाँ गाड़ी फंस जाए फिर हम लोग गाँव में हम लोग चला जाएगा फिर आने समय में फिर ऊंचाई पड़ेगा ना फिर बर्फ में स्लिप करेगा ना हम लोग गाड़ी तो गाड़ी सब फंस जाएगा इसलिए अभी वही कटाऊ जा सब गाड़ी कटाऊ जा रहे हैं जैसे आप लोग का 0 पॉइंट का बात हुआ था वही पेमेंट में आप लोग का कटाऊ में लगेगा सर
अरे यार इन तो गया सब अपना वो पानी के थ्रू जमा करना पड़ेगा कॉबी अरे कॉबी का नाम दोबारा पकड़ो हाँ दियो थोड़ा हाथ चल हाथ ज्यादा होने दे पीछे से हाँ मैं क्या करूँगा ना ऐसा बकचोदी में जाने आता लोग और फिर स्टाइल तो ऐसे मारूंगा ऐसे इन गया फुल ठीक है नहीं है ना नहीं दूर से लगे
Done with the lunch and stopped here at a waterfall. It's bigger than the waterfalls that I have seen till now in Sikkim. And the driver said that this waterfall is known as the Amitabh Bachchan waterfall. I don't know if it's true or not, but there you go with the waterfalls. And also this is the prettiest. I mean, I haven't seen really pretty waterfalls till now, but this is the prettiest that I've seen till now in Sikkim. हाँ यार बस था यार
फायदा उठाना इनसे दिल्ली आवाज क्या आ रहा है
हाँ कुछ तो आ रहा है गंदा गंदा Hey BNB, welcome to Tagalong Backpackers Hostel, and I'm here with two of the people that I met in cab going to the Guru Dogmar Lake. Amazing, this place looks amazing. I'm gonna show you in B-roll in 3, 2, 1. And by the way, we just reached at about 7 p.m. and it's right now 8 p.m. and we are heading down to MG Road to get some food, and then we're gonna sleep like crazy because it was 6 hours from Lachung till Gangtok. So I'm really tired right now. So just gonna get some food and sleep right away and then plan for tomorrow. MG भैया हाँ
वो नहीं करेगा
चल चल
रात हो जाएगा रात को
The vibe of this place, MG Marg, seems to be really good, and also the Tagalong vibe was also really good. So we're just gonna grab some food. Let's check out this beautiful market in the pure night glow. What I'm looking for right now is some authentic Sikkimese food. और वो मिल जाए तो बस पूरी रात बन जाएगी.
8 save roti at roll house for 10 rupees, and also one roll. I mean, roll was overhyped, I would say. It's not really good at roll house. I mean, it is good, but it's not really good, I would say. So I'm gonna end this video right here right now, and I will show the whole of Gangtok in the next episode of What's the Itinerary, and that will be rolling out in some days because I'm also going to travel in the next few days. So let's see when it's gonna roll out. I don't have a fixed date, but yeah, stay tuned for that part. It's gonna be whole of Gangtok in one video. Till then, I could say, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe and like this video. If you liked it, share it with your friends and family. Till then, peace out, bye bye, and keep washing your hands, bros.